In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add email to Wix website. To get started, open the Wix editor for the site you want to update. This is where you will add the email contact option so visitors can reach you directly from your website. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This menu gives you access to the items you can place on your page. From there, choose Social. In this section, you will find the social bar. Drag a social bar onto your page and place it where you want your contact icons to appear. This is a simple way to add clickable communication options without needing to build anything from scratch. After the social bar is on the page, click on it and choose Set Social Links. This opens the settings for the icons inside that bar. Next, click Add Icons. In the search area, type email or mail to quickly find the email icon. You may also see other communication options available, but for this tutorial, focus on selecting the email icon you want to use. Once you find the icon you like, click Add to Gallery. After that, click the new icon in your list so you can edit its settings. On the right side, find the link field and click it. Then select Email as the link type. This tells Wix that the icon should open an email action instead of sending visitors to a web page or social profile. Now enter your email address in the field provided and then click Done. Be sure the address is entered correctly since this is where messages from visitors will be directed. A small mistake here could stop the email link from working properly. If your social bar includes icons you do not want, remove them by clicking the trash can button next to each unwanted icon. This helps keep the design clean and makes sure visitors only see the contact options you want to offer. When you are finished editing the icon list, click Done to save those changes. Finally, click Publish to make the update live on your website. Once published, visitors will be able to click the email icon and contact you directly through the email option you added. That covers everything you need to know.